Hello everybody, welcome to Thursday. We had another day where the market stayed in the same range. So let's talk about the range and why that's important. It's actually been 10 days in a row with very little movement. And what's important about that is what's called support or resistance. There's a lot of different things out there that I don't really subscribe to, but support and resistance has worked pretty well in the past when I'm looking at things. And what happens is when you go for 10 days and you don't really change, that means millions of shares changed hands at very similar prices. And so then if the market jumps forward from that point and then happens to come back down, the theory is that the people that bought at that price say, hey, I made money, at least for a little while when it went up by buying at that price, and now it's back and I'm going to buy it again. And so you will sometimes see the market hold above those levels, especially when you trade for quite a while in the same area. Of course, so that's called support. Of course, resistance is the other, where you stay at this same level and you fall below. And then when the market tries to come back, there's a whole bunch of people that bought at a certain price that are now saying, hey, I want to get my money back. And they start to sell when it gets back there. And so that's the significance of going sideways for as long as we have. And hopefully things will break to the upside, and then we'll actually have a little bit of a floor of resistance. Sometimes those resistance don't hold up in really extreme environments, but it's worth noting what's happening here. And so we'll just be patient and wait and watch and see what does transpire, and hope for an upside breakout, and then we'll have some support below that. So anyway, that's the message for the day, support and resistance. And I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.